and I'm so excited today because I'm going to be giving you guys a fridge tour. I've done haul videos before where I show you guys my groceries. I've done cooking videos. This is more of a spin-off of my grocery haul video, so I'm really excited. So today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what is in my fridge, and I feel like it'll be a really interesting take seeing inside the fridge of a family with diets as diverse as ours. We've got one plant-based eater, one decisive carnivore, and one very picky toddler. So hopefully this video will give you guys some tips on organizing your fridge and some food ideas. So I can't talk about groceries and food and all that kind of good stuff without telling you guys about this awesome deal from one of my favorite meal kit delivery services. Many of you know I partner with Home Chef, and I am a real life subscriber. I get the meals every week. Ever since I've become a subscriber of Home Chef, my grocery store visits have been fewer, and I have spent less money, and I have spent less time in the grocery store because I'm able to just go online and select the meals that I want, and they're going to be delivered directly to my house with everything that I need to cook it. All I have to do is go online into my online profile and select the meals I want, and they're going to show up to my doorstep, and everything that I need for that meal is going to be in that box, and I can prepare delicious meals that my family is going to love. So for today's video, if you guys use my code Vaughn80, you're going to get 80 total dollars off your first 4 orders. So that's $20 off every order, you guys. That is the most amazing deal that I have seen yet. So make sure that you guys click the link in my description box to go ahead and sign up for Home Chef and start getting your meals delivered. This is the best discount that Home Chef has ever offered, and they're not going to be offering it for long. So make sure you click the link below so you can sign up while the getting is good. All right, let's get into what's in this fridge. All right, guys, so this is the inside of my fridge. If you hear a little bit of interference, a little background noise, that's because the fridge is making its refrigerator sound. So let's start on this side. I like to keep all of the food organized based on what category it falls under. So in this top compartment, I have all of my salad dressings and things of that nature. You guys, I love these here dressings because they are vegan and no artificial flavors, preservatives, none of that stuff. So I really love having these to add them to my salad. I'm not a huge fan of salad dressing. I mostly use olive oil or truffle oil and salt and pepper. But when I do want to add a little bit more flavor to my salads, I will reach for these types of dressings. In this next compartment here, I just have some like condiment type of stuff. My husband really loves these hot jardinera peppers. He puts them on everything. I have my vegan-naise horseradish sauce. You guys, I love this. I put this on a lot of stuff. And I have some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. And then in this final compartment down here, I just have some Kalamata olives, which are my favorite. You guys, I love salty snacks and things. I love olives. I have some roasted red peppers. I have some capers, you guys. Again, with the salty snacks, I love eating capers, but I do also like to use them in different sauces. I have some anchovies. I have some pesto and some sun-dried tomatoes. So these are all my little jars down here. And then I don't always cook with butter. I'm an olive oil girl, hands down, but when I do want that buttery flavor, I will use this. I can't believe it's not butter. And then for me, if I, like I said, want a, it lets you know when you've had it open for too long. Are you gonna turn off or what? Okay, so back to the tour. So if I do want something buttery but I don't want to compromise, I'll just go for this Earth Balance. It's non-GMO and it's vegan, and it's basically a buttery flavored spread made with mostly vegetable oils. On this top compartment, I just have her little applesauce squeeze and go. I love getting her these because it's a great snack for me to send her to school with. And then here I just have a kombucha drink, you guys. It contains live probiotics, it's organic, and it contains ginger, which is why I picked it up. I enjoy kombucha, right? But I love ginger. Anytime I see something containing ginger, ginger beer, ginger flavored candies, whatever, I'm going. And then on this next compartment down, I have my creams for my coffee, you guys. So these are made with almond milk. I always get the vanilla and the almond one because those are my 2 favorite flavors for my coffee. And in this bottom compartment, I just have a couple of these canned drinks, you guys. I picked this up from Target. This one is the Spicy Bloody Mary. I actually haven't tried it yet, but I'm anticipating that it's going to be really good because the Moscow Mule one was pretty darn good to be a drink out of a can. Next, I just have some pomegranate juice. And here, you guys, I have one of Anne's water infusions. This one is with strawberry and lemon. Anne recently went to the dentist for the first time, and it was a great visit. Her dentist definitely recommended to us, though, after asking us about her diet, to cut down on the juice because we were giving her like a lot of juice. I always have one of her waters just kind of marinating with the fruit and just in the fridge ready for her at all times. So this is something you would see in my fridge every single day. All right, let's move on to the other items in the back. This is the deli drawer, and basically what I like to put down in here are the meats and the cheeses. So what we have in here today is just some turkey bacon. I also have some duck bacon. It's only a few slices left, so I put them in this little hefty Ziploc bag. You guys, I'm the hefty, glad Ziploc bag queen, honey. And then it's just some random prosciutto down in here. Now here's something you don't see every day. This is a random bag of chicken thighs. And you guys, this is for one of the newest members of our family. We have a cane corso. Her name is Sansa. And this is actually for her. And for my daughter, I got her this smoked sliced Gouda because she really loves grilled cheeses, and I like to get her different types of cheeses just to give her some variety. I will give her pretty much any cheese except for American cheese. And this is just a little bag of grated Parmesan cheese for my husband's pastas and some shredded sharp cheddar because he loves it on his eggs. Moving up. So in this drawer, you guys, is where I keep all of my vegetables. So I just have a big bunch of asparagus because we love asparagus around here. I have some basil leaves because I like to use this for homemade pestos and pasta sauces. I have a random bell pepper, some tomatoes on the vine. And then I always have peppers, you guys, because everything has to be spicy. My husband and I are just really, really partial to spicy food. And so I like to buy my peppers in the natural form like this because then I can add them to just about any dish that I'm cooking and make it spicy versus relying on dried seasoning. I like to have the actual peppers to spice my food because there's nothing like it. Next, something that you will see in my refrigerator every single day no matter what is some type of mushrooms. And so what I have today are just some portobellos and some shiitakes, a bag of arugula. I'm really big on like these little clips to just seal things off and just pop them right in here. A little baby bok choy. And ooh, this is one of my favorites recently, you guys, shallots. I pretty much put shallots in everything. And then lastly in here, I have a head of cauliflower. In this next drawer, this is my fruit drawer. I don't put a lot of my fruits in the fridge. Actually, a lot of them are over on the counter because I like them to be room temp and I like them to ripen sitting on the counter. But the ones that I do like to have cold, they're in here. That's it for the fruit drawer. Moving right along, just have a bunch of kale. There's always kale in my fridge. Next to it is my cucumber and lemon water, you guys. I always like to have this. It's almost always in my fridge, but I love putting it in a glass pitcher like this because I just love glass pitchers. I don't really like plastic ones. And I just have like this little cork at the top to keep it nice and fresh. And so this is just the most amazing way to have water. It's so delicious. It changed everything about my water consumption when I started to infuse my waters with fruit. It changed everything. And this is the coconut water that I like to get. This is by Naked. I like getting these little crescents for Anne by Pillsbury because she is absolutely obsessed. This is the honey butter one and she absolutely loved these. Up top here, I just have some organic cage-free eggs. And you guys, 2 big tubs of sour cream. That's all my husband, honey. He loves sour cream. I don't get it. He loves it. Some sauerkraut. And then I have these wee yogurts. These are by Yoplait. They're French style yogurts. You guys, Anne loves this yogurt. And I actually tasted it and it's really damn good. Anne's leftover lunch from earlier was like pizza and a little banana. So she's gonna be eating this in a minute, okay, girl? You get hungry, you're gonna eat that leftover pizza that you didn't finish. Just have some Naked protein drinks. Basically, these are just the Naked smoothie juices. I actually got these for Anthony because, you know, he's been going to the gym and everything and on the go. When he's on the go and he's grabbing his stuff and throwing it in his gym bag, I like to make sure that he has one of these. Down here, you guys, I just have some leftover shredded hash brown potatoes. And then, you guys, so remember earlier when I was showing you the sauerkraut, I want to eat them with my Italian sausages. These are meatless Italian sausages. They are vegan. It is by the brand Light Life. So, you guys, that is it for my fridge tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure that you don't forget to check the description box because I got that $80 off link for you guys from Home Chef. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.